Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I just wake up too late and it's around time is around 11:03.
मस्त जोक मारा.
And today it's Sunday, so we are going at swimming, yeah. Near to our training center there is our natural swimming pool. Yeah. So we are going for swimming, plus we are carrying a bag. So we are taking some clothes for changing and all. So wasting much time, let's go guys.
शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया है. Guys, just now I'm just alone and my friend, he went back to the room because since he forget to bring his pen for after changing the swimming. So I'm alone here waiting for my friend. I guess when he will reach out here. I'm waiting for my friend, and you know who I meet at the way? Here our girl, I meet with ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है. ले.
Yeah, I just meet her in the way. She's also alone just now. Her friend all went for a dare at the volunteer walk. So she also alone, so sad, He's back. Finally he's back now. Woo. Finally, we are at the river, so you can see the view is like this. So you can see it's really interesting one. And look, my friend, now here looking like how deep it is, and he's just estimating at all. So guys, wasting much time, we have to reach for a lunch. So before that, let's go and have some swimming here, guys. Here it's going on the rafting just now. After they move from here, we're going to have a swimming. So you can see my friend is waiting to cross when they will cross the. Just now my friend he's about to go for a swimming, so wasting much time. Let me go also and have a swim. He's enjoying, so let me go and join that. like temperature is, I can't able to explain you guys. It's so cold. I can't. My friend, they already reached that side, so it's so cold, guys. Friend already he reached that side. It's too cold, and from here it's not able to capture properly. It's too far from here. You can see the distance out here. It's so too far. So that's why I'm feeling so cold here now, guys. Oh, feeling cold. It's like playing at there in the sand, but I'm not able to cross the river because the water temperature is too cold, guys. Here you can see our Sharma Khan. Yeah, his body, look at his body, yeah, too. And here I brought like not head and shoulder, clinic plus, yeah. So let me apply in my hair and make a tender free hair, guys. So if you want to have a physique like Sergey Pai, then use clinic. Yeah, guys. YouTube star. So it's really
Use clinic.
down.
Apply clinic on head. Stay clean.
Let me show you my body also, guys. Here.
Okay, guys.
Guys, just now I'm just stay out from the water since I had, like you see here. So my friend, they went up for like they want to show how long they're going to stay underwater. So my friend, two of them, they are going to challenge. So let me show you guys. They're in the water. I know they're about to start, guys. And oh, one go! Let's see who will stay longer. No. Oh, it's running out. Woo! Yeah, our Sharma Khan win. Woo. Look at him, he's showing the backside water, and look at the three. He again wants to play. You can see our Sharma Khan, yo. So guys, so finally we are done with the swimming and all, you know, your Sharma Khan. So we are going back to our room now after having the swimming almost an hour. So we are going back to the room. To say now, very exhausted. Yeah, and we are going for, like, hope you will reach at the lunch. Feeling hungry after having a swimming And you know guys, look today my
Need to recharge now.
yes, and I got this one like a symbol for today's swimming, and for recovering this, for this I take almost 1 day or 2 days to recover this. And like the water, you know, it's too sunny out here, the weather is, but also the water is so cold, you know. Temperature is like
Maybe around 5 degrees.
yeah, it's too cold. I like the weather is like shiny also, but he play a lot in the swimming. I mean, he do a lot of swimming, but you know, me, I can't able to play even almost 10 to 15 I swim, but he almost hours swim. Guys, yeah, he is national swimmer, guys.
And he is jungle swimmer. गजब बेइज्जती है.
Yes, we are about to reach, and you see there our room, and we are about to reach to our room now, Shamakan. Yeah, look at the view and our surrounding. Look at the guys. It's too beautiful out here, guys. Woo. You can see the weather. It's too beautiful out here, guys. Guys, what my friend found?
I caught a big fish. This river in the country. From Mochu.
Yo, what that one?
This one is fish hopping.
Oh. Yeah, Jamila. Oh, there. You know the sadness. We don't have a light. The light is gone now. Electricity is, so it's too sad, no, guys. So I can go inside and check out what are my two friends doing. One is Jinda and one is Thailand. Let's go and see, guys. Yo, look at meet our Jinda. Yo, hi Jinda. Here Jinda. Yeah,
This is Sunday.
yeah, Sunday. And meet our Acho, Thailand. I think he's just wake up, no? After an hour. So guys, today we had done a lot of enjoyment near the riverbank, and you know, it's really interested. I know if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.
Time to recharge.
Time to recharge. So let me feel again. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and don't forget to press like and share and comment it, guys, for more update video. And you know, guys, what to say. Anyway, take care, stay safe and be happy, and see you in next vlog.